Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will teach you how to send a CapCut video to WhatsApp. First of all, you are going to be opening your CapCut application and exporting the video that you want to send. So you can see we have this video over here. Let's just say you want to export it and send it. So you can see it is asking us to basically join. So now you can basically export the video. Normally, if you have the pro version, you can export the effects and everything as well. Then what you need to do is simply head over to your WhatsApp. Let's just say you head over to your WhatsApp. You're going to be searching that for that video and send it from your camera icon. You can simply click on plus and photos. Let's just say we have our video over here that we want to share, and you can easily click on that video and send it. So let's just say this is the video, you can easily share it. So I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.